Pagkatapos nga ng mahaba-habang oras ng pagtatrabaho, magtuon ka ng oras para sa sarili mo. Dahil deserve mo to. Dahil diyan makakapag-relax at pamper time ka na para sa sarili mo. Isa na ang Veronica Aesthetic Clinic na nag-o-offer ng halos lahat ng services tulad ng slimming, skincare, facial at gluta, head and body spa at marami pang iba. Dito kami nagpa-Japanese head spa nung nakaraan. At nagustuhan nga namin kaya ngayon naman ay nag-try kami magpagawa sa kanila ng jaw area para mawala yung double chin. Ito ang tinatawag nilang HIFU procedure na ang result ay 3 to 6 months. Bukod dyan, marami pa silang ino-offer na procedure from face hanggang sa paa. Meron. At ang balita ko ay may mga promo sila ngayon, kaya i-check nyo na ang kanilang page dahil mas pina-affordable pa. Punta lang kayo sa Veronica Clinic page at pwede kayo makapag-inquire sa kanila at magpa-schedule ng inyong appointment. Located lang ang Veronica Facial and Body Spa dito sa 2nd floor ng Costa Grande Building, Paliko 1, Emilio Aguinaldo Highway, Imus, Cavite. Pwede nyo rin sila mahanap via Google Map. Ikaw, gusto mo din bang i-try yung mga ganito?
It has instant result after 1 session, and the effect would last 6 months to 1 year. Depende, case-to-case basis. Depende sa skin type ni customer. But once mo lang siyang gagamitin for a year, good na siya. It really has instant effect. After the session, you will see it. Papakita sa inyo ng mga eye patient namin. Merong pain kasi it produces electricity, tas may mainit, but it's 3 out of 10. Pero yung pain, mararamdaman nyo lang na may mainit, may konting kuryente, but tolerable naman siya. Ang HIFU natin is no downtime, meaning walang bad cause or effect after the treatment. Hindi lang siya pwede gawin sa mga pregnant women, lactating moms, and yung may mga problema sa heart and diabetes. We also offer massage. Our prime is Japanese head spa. Talagang dinadayo yan sa amin. We have facial services like hydrofacial, diamond peeling. We also have slimming services. Yun nga yung ginagawa ni Sir, which is the HIFU treatment. We have RF slimming, mesolipo treatments. We also have nail care and whitening services. We also have ongoing promotions, skincare. We have the porcelain glow. So if you want to achieve that glass skin look, come and visit us. It's only for 1,599. 6-in-1 treatments na po siya. We also have the underarm whitening and hair removal. It's for permanent na po. It's only for 2,000 pesos. The promo is unlimited offer po. Our slimming service, HIFU Plus RF, is also on promo for 2,000 pesos. So if you want to get that hugis bigas face, come and visit us.
Visit us at Veronica Facial and Body Spa and get that 5-star luxury spa experience at a very affordable price.
We are located at Costa Grande Building, Paliko 1, along Aguinaldo Highway, Imus, Cavite. Sa tapat lang po namin yung Army Navy and kahilera namin si Macdo Paliko and Security Bank.